For this look, I'm using Holo Taco's Long Lasting Base, Holo Taco's Serial Killer, Holo Taco's Too Good to Be Blue, Holo Taco's Crime and Punishment, Holo Taco's Pinky Swear, Holo Taco's Rest in Peach, Twinkled Tea So Extra, Holo Taco's Super Glossy Taco, Maniology's M289 and Maniology MXM059 stamping plates. We start with our base coat to help seal the polish to the nails. Then we're going to add on our base colors. Since this is a Skittle Mani, we are using a different color on each of our 5 nails per hand. You can put the colors in any order that you want, but I went this order. Then we need to put our stamping on. I'm using one design in various parts for the horizontal across all but the middle fingers. And then I'm doing a vertical design down the middle finger itself. Finally, we're going to add a nice thick coat of the Super Glossy Taco to seal in our manicure for long-lasting wear. Voila! There's your manicure. Enjoy your happy spring pastel mani, friends.